Okay, so I've been absolutely inundated with inquiries about this little machine here, so I thought it was about time I did a quick video just to explain what it's all about. So this is a brand new Premier Mini vacuum. I bought this in the last week or so from Killis, a cleaning supplier up in Sheffield. These vacuums haven't been in production since 2014. For those of you who don't know, just a brief history about the Premier Mini. So the Mini was originally introduced in 1978 by the Premier Products Company. It was originally introduced under the Vanguard name, which was the machine division of Premier Products. There was a bigger version called the Maxi, which came just before in 1975. And for about 3 decades, this was the commercial vacuum to have. They had such an excellent reputation for reliability, performance and robustness, and you were likely to see these absolutely everywhere, from schools to public buildings to hospitals to offices, shops, you name it. Before the other names that we're all familiar with nowadays were on the scene, this was what was probably one of the most popular commercial vacuums of its day, and it's purely based on its reputation, and rightly so. So for about 3 decades, this is what you would have seen in pretty much most public buildings. Most local authorities bought these in their thousands, so schools had lots of them. So anyway, that is the Premier Mini. Unfortunately, in about 2014, the Premier Products Company disappeared. I don't know why that happened, but they've not been around for a long time. So anyway, fast forward to now, and totally out of the blue, I see a post on on LinkedIn from the MD of Killis, like I say, the supplier up in Sheffield, saying that he's got a stock of these brand new Minis. Now, it's unclear whether it's remanufactured, whether it's made up of new old stock parts, or whether it's a test run and they're looking to bring this machine back to the market. We don't know at the moment, but all we know is it's brand new and it's here again, and I'm hoping that it's a sign of things to come and they're going to make an attempt at bringing the Premier Mini back. It's not a bad thing. They're fantastic little vacuums. I run a fleet of about 15 of them for my cleaning business now. We've got them over various sites, and some of them are coming up for 40 years old and they're still going strong. They're bulletproof. They're just amazing little cleaners. They're just, the quality of them is fantastic. So how's the new one looking? Very good, actually. I'm really impressed with it so far. It's just as good as any other Mini I've used. Got a really nice set of tools with it. I've actually replaced the wand with a genuine Premier telescopic one. It came with just standard stainless steel ones, but I quite like the telescopic one. Cracking floor tool, metal base plate, just like an old school pneumatic one. Nice long hose, nice long cable, and solid, absolutely solid. Pretty much all metal construction, but it's light. I can lift that with one finger. Nice and powerful, 850 watt motor. It's got plenty of power. Pretty quiet. I don't know what it sounds like on the camera, but in real life it's as quiet as they come these days. I think it measures up at about 58 decibels, which is pretty good. I really hope they bring this back again, because it's a winner. It's still one of the best commercial tub vacs out there. Even after 30-40 years, you just can't beat a Premier Mini. They're bulletproof little machines. I love them, and I've got to say, this new one, it gets the thumbs up from me. It's a great little machine. It's gone straight to the top of my list of favourites. And Killis, if you're watching, please bring it back. There's a lot of cleaning companies out there that would have used these back in the day, still remember them, and there's got to be a market for them out there. Just keep the price reasonable. I've heard they've been quite popular and the price has been increased already. At the right price, these are unbeatable. They really are.